Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we split our text into multiple columns, especially when your text is in within one column, then you can use this text to column functions to split into different columns. Let me show you how. I have a very simple example. There are three different columns, full name, which has like full name of the employee, and then I want to split into first name and last name. So I will use text to column function. I will select all those cells and then go to data tab, and then there is a text to columns option. Click on this one. A window will pop up. There are two functions, delimited and fixed width. So delimited, characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. Second one is fields are aligned in columns with spaces between each field. So for me, the first one is appropriate, like characters such as the commas or tabs. I want to use commas and tabs to separate the names. So I'll go to the next, and then it's already take the option commas and space. If you untake this option and see, this is how the data preview will be. After you apply these changing, this is how my data will look like. So what I want to separate them and give them space, and then you can see the line in between the names. So this is how I want to split into the different columns. Move on to the next. And now you need to select the destination. So my destination would be from here, which is the D5. So I will click here and just click on this cell, press enter, and now finish. Now you can see it has split the names into first name and last name, like Steph, Hume is Steph, and Hume in two different columns. So this is how you can easily split your text, which is from one column to different columns. Next, let's see another scenario. For example, I have like first name, middle name, and the last name. So how can I split into different columns? Again, select the text and then go to text to column, and then you can see the option delimited and fixed where. So I'll just go with the delimited. Next, and now again, if you just take this space option, it will split into the different columns. So the first name, middle name, and last name. Next, and destination cell is starting from here. Press enter and finish, and boom, it has split your names into the first name, middle name, and last name. So this is how you can easily split your text into different columns. Let's move on to the trim function. Trim function is used to eliminate the extra spaces from your text. It will keep the one necessary space and eliminate the rest of the unnecessary spaces from your text. For example, I have two lines and there is unnecessary spaces between the words. You can see this and is it has like unnecessary spaces in between. So if I want to remove those, so what I will do, I will just simply use the trim formula, TRIM, press tab, and then select the cell, close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see it kept the one space in between the words and delete the rest of the spaces. So again, if you want to just use for the second line as well, just drag from the bottom and it will apply for the next line as well. So this is how you can use this function, and you can use the text to column function to split the text and trim function to remove the unnecessary spaces. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.